What's up guys, good morning. Today we have planned a small trip or a trek with some of our friends. So here this is Sangeeta,
Hi.
This is Rohit, and this is Kanchan.
Hi.
And this is of course Radhika with me.
Hi.
So we have planned a trip to Sondai Fort. We left our place at around 5:45. Now it's around 7:15. So in next half an hour we are going to reach. This trek is like easy trek. That's what I've researched and that's what they say. But we all are beginners. We don't know how it's going to be for us. After reaching the top point of the fort, there's a 360-degree view of different forts like Rishalgarh, Kalavantin Durg and Pravalgarh, etc. Even the Mathiran hills are seen from there. So we are really excited to see the entire view from there. So now we are reaching the base point of the trek and we'll meet you over there. We have just reached the starting point of the Sondai Fort trek. So basically I'll tell you how to reach over here. We had booked a private vehicle wherein we are 5 of us, so it made sense for us to book a cab. And alternatively you can come by train to Karjat, and from there you can take a TomTom or a ST bus to reach to a village. I don't know the name of the village. I will mention it in the caption below. You can come till then, and after there you will have to walk for around 5 kilometers. If you're lucky you can get a lift from there. Otherwise you'll walk for 5 kilometers and it will be a good warm-up until the base point of this trek. So after coming to this base point, which is the Sondai Wadi village, I guess. So this is the base point of the trek, and here you will have to start trekking. So now we'll start the trek and we'll meet you in the next location where we take a break. Till then, see the cinematic shots and enjoy. Okay, यही ट्रैक है,
यही ट्रैक है, इधर है इजी ट्रैक.
We now just took a break over here and now we are just moving ahead. Now if you guys come over here, there is this board and there is this tree over here. So you have to go from the left of the board. There's a trail that goes up, and this is the fort which we have to climb. Now this is a rocky patch which is a kind of a difficult patch, so you literally have to crawl and come over this patch. And there are some step markings also put over here, so you can follow that steps and come up.
तुम्हाला किती वेळ लागतो चढायला? 5 मिनिटं. आम्हाला 25 मिनिटं लागली. बसून बसून आलो आम्ही.
बसून आल्या आणि एकदम म्हणजे येतो.
There are 2 to 3 steep rock climbs, so I don't know, it doesn't feel so easy. Basically in the last like 10-15 minutes there are some hard climbs, so it wasn't easy actually, so especially for beginners. finally the trek is almost at the end. So there are 3 stairs which are there at the end of the trek, which we need to climb, and then the trek is over. So we'll meet you near the stairs. Finally near the stairs, it's recommended that only one person or maximum 2 people climbs the stairs, because it's kind of risky to have many people on the stairs. This is the second stairs. In total there are 3 stairs to climb. The second stairs which we climbed right now was a risky one. There are certain hinges that are not there on the stairs. It's a bit shaky, so one needs to be a bit careful while climbing that stair. So now there's this third stair, which is the last stair which we need to climb, and then the trek is over. But for now, let's enjoy the view over here. It's just amazing, and it's so windy over here. The heat is not hitting upon you, so it's amazing. Finally, we are done. आजा ऊपर, फिर बाद में हाथ ऊपर कर. Finally.
हाँ, finally.
अच्छा लग रहा है ना ऊपर?
Great, but
ऊपर आने का अच्छा लग रहा है.
all the effort is worth it.
Yes. It's so windy. It is really amazing at the top of this place. So finally we are done with the trek. We are very happy. Each and every one of us are happy. The middle part of the trek, there are rocky patches. It was a bit difficult, but compared to Irshalgarh, which we did it in April, it is much easier. And the weather is also nice. Maybe we did Irshalgarh in the month of April, so that's why the entire weather was very hot. Right now it's November, so the weather is very pleasant. So this is the view. This is the Morbe Dam. Then there are different forts like Irshalgarh, Prabhalgarh, and then this is the Matheran range. But Irshalgarh, Prabhalgarh is not clear as of now because of the mist. You come enjoy the place, have a nice time with your family, friends, eat over here, but please take all your garbage with you. Please don't litter over here. It's this entire fort, after coming over here, the entire fort on all the sides is littered with these paper plates, etc., which is a big turn off when you reach the top of the fort. These are like minute things. You can do such small things for the nature. It's so beautiful up over here, and then in the end, if you see so much of things littered over here, it does not feel good. So now we will just take a pause from the video. I'll just get down and then we'll meet you guys at the base of the trek. Finally we have come down to the base, which is the Sondaiwadi village. Now it's time for honest review of this trek. So as it was in the morning, the climate was pleasant, and that's why while climbing, even the climb at 2-3 patches where there were rocky patches, it was quite difficult, but because of the climate it felt kind of okay. Now as we were coming down, it became a bit hot. The descent required a lot of stability, and above that this heat really took a toll on us. As people said, it was an easy trek, but we felt kind of a moderate trek because of the weather. So this is our review. So we started descending at around 10:30. Now it's around 12 o'clock. So it took around 1.5 hours to descend because we took a lot of breaks in between. We are done with this trek. It was a really great experience. View from above is amazing, as you guys must have seen in the footages. So we'll end the video over here. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.